I have just one thing left to do, and that's assemble the strawberry shortcake torte. I've whipped some whipped cream, just sweetened it with a touch of sugar. Oh, look at that meringue layer. Sort of crunchy on top, soft in the middle. Oh, that looks good all on its own. It hardly needs the cream and berries. Slather some whipped cream on. Oh, I can hear the meringue crunching right on top. And then put this nice thickly sliced strawberries. I want to have the strawberries peek outside the torte. Every bite of the torte should yield a taste of fresh strawberry, little cream, the crunch of the meringue, and that tender cake. I'll top it with the top layer. And even push the cream out just to get a few little curls and dollops. All that's left to do is pack up the salad bundles. Oh, and I can't forget the lemon chèvre. And then I better get changed and head off to Susan's.